My name is Tasni, a BC 97th batch. Green computing is my seminar topic. Green computing, also known as green IT, is the practice of designing, developing, using, and disposing of computing resources in an environmentally friendly manner. This includes reducing the energy consumption of computing devices, in minimizing the use of hazardous materials in their manufacture, and promoting responsible disposal methods. There is a word difference between what computers can do and what society will choose to do with them. Seymour Papert Mindstorms. Going green is a rising trend establishing itself as the preferred way of doing things while saving the environment. This now appears in a large numbers of aspects in our lives, such as recycling, energy efficient devices, clean energy sources, eco friendly vehicles, green buildings. Computing has also established its share to contribute to saving the environment under the concept green computing. Green computing is the environmentally responsible and eco friendly use of computers and their resources. In order terms, it also defines as the study of designing, engineering, manufacturing, using, and disposing of computing services devices in a way that reduces their environmental impact. Green computing, also known as green technology or green IT, has quickly emerged as the most effective means of utilizing energy. How green computing benefits the environment? In basic terms, green computing involves reducing the environmental impact of technology. That means using less energy, reducing waste, and promoting sustainability. Green computing aims to reduce the carbon footprint generated by the information technology and system business and related industries. Energy efficiency and e-waste are two major techniques involved in a green computing. Energy efficiency involves an implementation of energy efficient central processing units, servers and peripherals, as well as reduced resource consumption. And e-waste is the proper disposal of electronic waste. Why green computing? If we think computers are non-polluting and consume very little energy, in fact, the use of computer plays a big role in environment pollution. It is estimated that out of 250 billion per year spent on powering computers, while worldwide only about 15% of that power is spent computing. The rest is wasted idling. That means consumed by computers which are not in use but still turned on. That consumed energy is the main reason of CO2 emission, carbon dioxide. Thus, energy saved on computer hardware and computing will equate tonners of carbon emissions saved per year. It started back 1992 when the US Environmental Protection Agency launched the Energy Star program, a controlled labeling program to promote and recognize energy efficiency. The Energy Star label has now certified more than 75 different product categories: homes, commercial buildings, and industrial plants. The program has also resulted in the widespread adoption of sleep mode among electronics customers. Following that, a large number of initiatives have been launched to promote green computing by the governments, industry, and environmental NGOs. The IT industry is putting efforts in all its sectors to achieve green computing. Equipment recycling, reduction of paper usage, virtualization, cloud computing, power management, green manufacturing are the key initiatives towards green computing. A recent example is seen in Intel's 2030 strategy. Intel has been committed to continued progress on achieving net positive water use, 100% green power, and zero waste to landfills across Intel's global manufacturing operations. Further, Intel has also included one highly unique component: shared climate and social goals, that requires collaboration with industries, governments, and communities. Main goals of these are revolutionize health and safety with technology, make technology fully inclusive, and expand digital readiness. Achieve carbon neutral computing to address climate change, because one company can't solve climate change. According to Intel CEO Bob Swan, Intel is marking a new era of shared corporate responsibility and collaboration. In the press release publicizing the new initiative, Stan noted, the world is facing challenges that we understand better each day as we collect and analyze more data, but they go unchecked without a collective response. From climate change to keep a deep digital divide around the world to the current pandemic that has fundamentally changed all our lives. We can solve them, but only by working computer. Greening of technology has a potential role to play in enhancing environmental sustainability by making the entire product life cycle of technologies and product greener, including research, manufacturing, use and disposal, Approaches to green computing. Virtualization. Virtualization means computer virtualization is the process of running two or more logical computer system on one set of physical hardware with the virtualization a system administrator. Cloud combines several physical systems into virtual machines on one simple powerful system, thereby unplugging the original hardware and reducing power and cooling consumption. Several commercial companies and open source objects now offer software packages to enable a transition to virtual computing. One of the primary goals of almost all forms of virtualization is making the most efficient use of available system resources. Power management. Power management for computer system are designed for many reasons, particularly to reduce cooling requirements, to reduce noise. The power management for microprocessors can be done over the whole process or in specific areas with dynamic voltage scaling and dynamic frequency scaling. The CPU core voltage, clock rate, or both can be altered to decrease power consumption and at the price of slower performance. This is sometimes done in real time to optimize the power performance trade-off. One such X for that is Intel Speedstep power supply. Power supplies in most computers aren't designed for energy efficiency. In fact, most computers drain more power than they need during normal operation, leading to higher electrical bills and a more dire environmental impact. The 80 plus program is a voluntary certification system of a power supply. Manufacturers, it will use only the power it needs at a given load. In other words, it won't use more power than it needs. And 80 plus power supply can save about 85 kilowatt hours per PC per year. In many ways, it's the heart of a green PC since it manages the power for all the other components. Storage. Hard disk drives often consume less power than physically larger drives. Unlike hard disk drives, solid state drives store data in flash memory or RAM. With no moving parts, power consumption may be reduced somewhat for low capacity flash based devices. Flash based drives are generally slower for writing than hard disks. Video card. The easiest way to conserve power is to go with integrated video. This is a lower performance option, but for office users, casual browsing and pure 2D use, it's more than adequate. Motherboard spitting out integrated via a DVI or HDMI aren't that hard to find, so users with their massive LCDs don't have to suffer. Displays. LCD monitors uses 3 times less than active and 10 times less energy. When in sleep mode, like LCD monitors uses 3 times less when active and 10 times less energy when in sleep mode. These are my opinions about green computing, and thank you.